Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share a screen in Microsoft Teams. So to share your screen in Microsoft Teams during a meeting, so join or start a Teams meeting. Next, on the meeting toolbar at the top right, click Share button. So it looks like a rectangle with an arrow pointing up. Click on that. So once you're here, now if you want to share your entire display, you can click the screen thumbnail. If you only want to show one application, choose the appropriate option under Window instead. So you can click Window and choose the window you want to share. Next, if you're sharing a video or anything with audio, you can turn on Include Sound toggle before selecting your screen. So you can toggle this on just like so. So once you choose what to share, so Teams will start presenting to everyone in the meeting. So if you're sharing your entire screen or a window, a colored border usually appears around the shared content. You also have your options right here at the top, then at the bottom. So here you can click this X button to stop sharing, or you can also click this one right here that says stop sharing. Then if you click this person icon right here, it will show participants. If you click this mic right here, it can mute your mic. So if you click this video icon, you can turn off your camera. So when you're done, you can click stop sharing or click this X button to end screen sharing. And that's how you can share your screen in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for watching.